Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We are back on learning the power of lists in Python. We have covered till now how to add elements in list, how to delete them from the list, how to copy them to another list, and today we are going to learn the power that only Python offers to its users. No other programming language has this in its core components. We have list comprehensions. List comprehensions, as this logo says, lets us write less code but do more stuff. So let's see how list comprehension works. First of all, I would like to ask you, if I want to make a list of exponential numbers, exponents, a series of exponents, how will I make that? First of all, I will make a list called exponents and let it be empty. Then I will write a for loop for I in range 10. That means from 1 to 10 exponent. Let me copy this for the sake of right spellings, because they blow the mind up when you are coding. Dot append I by to the power 2. This is the traditional method that all of the programming languages offers us for filling a list with a special type of series or special type of numbers programmatically. Okay? Yes. Now if we check exponents, it will be filled by exponent numbers from 1 till 10. Let's hope this has worked. 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 60. But Python offers us a method that works like a conveyor belt. For loop is like you handpicking yourself the whole series of apples in a factory, and that makes the process slower and more inefficient. Instead of this, you can automate that process, or you can say give it a style of brevity and efficiency by putting that whole code of for looping inside a list itself. So for example, I can make exponent by list comprehension. Forgive me for the spellings. Comprehension. Now what will I do? I will replace this for with for x in I will copy that whole statement for x in range 10, but I will add that letter part we are giving here before the for loop in list comprehension. I will add, let's make this I. I multiply by 2 for I in range 10, and our work is complete. So what you traditionally add before in a for loop will go here in the end, and what you traditionally add in the function, in the processing part of a for loop, you will add before the word for in list comprehension, and that will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's see. We forgot to give an equalization sign, and we have here the exponent list filled with far more easier way with 1 to 10 exponential numbers. Now, what is unique and the favorite part of programmers in list comprehension is not that it makes for looping easier. It makes the process of filtering out while in the for looping process a whole lot easier. So for example, if I wanted here to make, if I wanted to select from 1 to 10 only the even numbers to be added as exponents, I will have to give a condition here that if I is equal to I is I divided by 2 is equal to I remainder 2 is equal to 0. That means if it is even number, then only do so. Now I can give this condition in the list comprehension, and that will make the whole tedious and strenuous process of making a for loop and then giving a condition and then processing upon it compact and braved inside a single line. I make I exponential for each I in range from 1 to 10, but only if that I is divisible by 2. So that will hopefully filter out many of the numbers which we have currently and make it limited to the even numbers only. See that? That's the magic of list comprehension. Thank you very much for being with me in learning one of the most powerful, unique, and terrific features of Python, the list comprehension. Meet you in the next video.